Hello students, welcome to Study Campus. Today's our topic is the Anglo-Sikh War. देखिए, जब तक राजा रणजीत सिंह जिंदा थे, आप देख सकते हैं कि ये जो टेरिटरी है वो सिख का है और ये जो टेरिटरी आप देख रहे हैं ये ब्रिटिश इंडिया है। ओके, तो कहीं ना कहीं जो सिख का जो टेरिटरी है, सो इट वॉज द बफर जोन बिटवीन इंडिया एंड अफगान। तो ब्रिटिश और अफगान के बीच में एक बफर जोन था लाहौर, क्योंकि रणजीत सिंह का कैपिटल लाहौर था। तो जो लाहौर और जो रणजीत सिंह का टेरिटरी था, वो टेरिटरी कहीं ना कहीं ब्रिटिश को सपोर्ट करता था। ओके, तो इसीलिए ब्रिटिश जो है स्टार्टिंग में पंजाब पे अटैक नहीं करता था, लेकिन जैसे ही रणजीत सिंह का डेथ हुआ था उनके बाद वो सिख पे भी अटैक किया और उसको भी ब्रिटिश इंडिया में शामिल कर लिया, मर्ज कर लिया। देखते हैं। तो एंग्लो सिख वॉर, द फर्स्ट एंग्लो सिख वॉर was fought between 1845 to 1846. Anarchy in Punjab after the death of Ranjit Singh, murder of three rulers, Kharak Singh, now Nihal Singh and Sher Singh, within 6 years, 1839 and 1845. Succession of Dilip Singh, 5 years old son of Ranjit Singh in 1845, and the absence of any control over the army, Khalsa, contributed to the weakening of the Sikh power. तो रणजीत सिंह के मरने के बाद और दिलीप सिंह जो उनके 5 साल का बेटा था 1845 में, उसके बीच में 3 सक्सेसर्स खरक सिंह, नौनिहाल सिंह और शेर सिंह का ऑलरेडी डेथ हो चुका था। तो इस सब के कारण जो है सिख बहुत ही वीक हो गया था, कमज़ोर हो गया था। द ब्रिटिश परस्यूड द पॉलिसी ऑफ encirclement of Punjab from 1833 onwards, occupation of Firozpur in 1835 and Shikarpur in 1836, and appointed of British residents in Ludhiana and in Sindh in 1838, and their military preparation increase of their army from 2500 in 1836 to 14,000 in 1843 fueled the animosity between the British and the Sikhs. Confirmations of the suspicions of Sikh army were exacted by the annexation of Sindh by the British in 1843, and the first Anglo-Sikh war started soon after 1845. तो हम समझ सकते हैं कि ये जो वॉर स्टार्ट हुआ था उसके पीछे ब्रिटिश कितने सालों से प्रिपेयर कर रहा था, क्योंकि सिंध जो एक इलाका था, सिंध एक ऐसा एरिया था जो बहुत ही प्रॉस्पेरस था, बहुत ही फर्टाइल एरिया था और उसको ब्रिटिश लेना चाह रहा था। और फाइनली सिंध को कैप्चर करने के बाद, और जब सिंध को कैप्चर कर लिया तो सिख को भी डर लगा, सिख को भी लगा कि वो हमें भी हमारे टेरिटरी को भी कैप्चर कर लेगा। और ये मेन वजह हुई थी एंग्लो सिख वॉर का मेन वजह। कोर्स इवेंट्स, द सिख आर्मी वॉज सून डिफीटेड अंडर लाल सिंह by Sir Hugh at Mudki in 1845. The British also defeated the Sikh army under Tej Singh, Commander-in-Chief at Firozpur in 1845. However, the British under Harry Smith suffered a blow at the hands of Ranjit Singh Majhetia at Budewal in 1846. Finally, the Sikhs were defeated by Smith at Aliwal and Sobraon in 1846 on the crossing of the Satluj and occupation of Lahore by the British. The war ended with the Treaty of Lahore in 1846. और Treaty of Lahore in 1856 के अकॉर्डिंग वॉर ऑफ कंपनसेशन जो है वो सिख पे डाल दी गई थी। उस वॉर ऑफ कंपनसेशन को ना देने के कारण जो जम्मू एंड कश्मीर का एरिया है या आसपास के जो एरिया है वो ब्रिटिश ने गुलाब सिंह के हाथों बेच दिया था। रिजल्ट, Jalandhar Doab was ceded to British and payment of a war indemnity of 1.5 crore imposed on Sikhs, but they were able to pay only half of this amount, and for the rest the British got Kashmir, which they sold to Gulab Singh. A British resident, Sir Henry Lawrence, was appointed at Lahore, and Dalip Singh was recognized as the ruler of Punjab with Rani Jindan as his regent. The Sikh army was reduced and its ruler prohibited from employing any European without the prior consent of the British. Also, the British troops were permitted to pass through Sikh territory whenever the need arose. Soon after, the Treaty of Bharoval was signed in December 1846, which resulted in removal of Rani Jindal and setting up of a Council of Regency for Punjab, consisting of 8 Sikh Sardar and presided over by Sir Henry Lawrence. Second Sikh War. Causes. Desire of the Sikh army to avenge their humiliation of the first war and the discontentment of the Sikh Sardar with the British control over Punjab. Treatment of Rani Jindal by the British, her transportation to Sheikhpur first and then to Banaras, and the drastic reduction in her pensions fueled the Second Anglo-Sikh War. The revolt of Mulraj, governor of Multan, ensued, and two English officers, Vance Agnew and Lieutenant Anderson, who were sent to take over the administration in Multan, were murdered. Sher Singh, sent to suppress the revolt of Mulraj, himself joined the revolt against the British, leading to an outbreak of general rebellion by the Sikh army and the Sardar. The Battle of Ramnagar between Sher Singh and Lord Gog in 1848 and the Battle of Chilanwala in 1849 between the two ended without any result. Lord Gog captured Multan and Mulraj surrendered, who was deported for life. The Sikhs were finally defeated by Gog in Battle of Gujarat in 1849 and Sher Singh and other Sikh chiefs surrendered. Result: Punjab was annexed by Lord Dalhousie, and Dalip Singh deposed and sent off to England along with Rani Jindal. A board of 3 commissioners consisting of Lawrence brothers Henry and John and Charles G. Mansell was constituted in 1849 to administer Punjab. Soon afterwards, the board was abolished and a chief commissioner for Punjab, Sir